Chapter 2. Sayyid Burhanuddin Sirdan al-Muhaqqiq al-Husseini of the posterity of Yasin Muhammad. Now, these abbreviated letter things, it's not right to assume they could all be names of God. So it's not entirely right to say that Yasin, because they're, is Muhammad. Because Yasin and Taha, it said that it was not confirmed in Muhammad's lifetime to be these meanings that people attribute, being Yasin and Taha, and thus being a title for a human or something. And it could be something else. So, but anyways, he is called Sayyid, the Syud of our East Indian authorities, for the reason that he was a descendant of the Prophet, of whom Yasin is one of the titles, as it is also the name of the 36th chapter of the Quran, at the head of which 2 letters stand, which form the name. Burhanuddin means the proof of the religion. Sirdan signifies the confident, one who possesses a knowledge of a secret or secrets, a mystery or mysteries. Muhaqqiq is one who verifies, who probes the truth, and Husseini indicates that the Sayyid was of the branch of Hussein, the younger of the 2 sons of Fatima, Muhammad's only child that left posterity. And that's where we get the other 11 who the Shia call imams. Of course, there's different Shia groups that have different lists. But part 1 here, Sayyid Burhanu was popularly known by the name of Sirdan at Balkh, Bukhara, Alexandria, Axiana, and Termiz. His discourse was continually running upon the subjects of spiritual and mental phenomena, of the mysteries of earth and of heaven. When Baha'u'llah quitted Balkh, the Sayyid went to Termiz, and there secluded himself as a hermit. After a while again, he began to lecture in public on the significations of knowledge. Suddenly one morning, that of Friday the 18th of Rabiul Akhir, Al-Hijrah 628, February 1231 of the Common Era, he cried out most bitterly in a flood of tears, "Alas, my master has passed away from this tabernacle of dust, the abode of sincerity." His words and the date were noted down, and on inquiry after his arrival in Konya, were found to correspond exactly with the moment of Baha'u'llah's decease. And when my grandfather died, that was a college athletics coach. He mostly community college, but he taught at a couple universities. The minute that he's said to have died, or around there, I woke up. Something about grandfather. Now, we didn't talk much. I visited him more than yearly. He was in a different, he was in a different state. The state, I didn't live at that time in the state where, the colleges where he taught were. But anyways, I, had that connection as such too.